I quick throw this one because of today will be Sunday. Now today this thing happen where I just see. Sister, you, now you are talk to. You. Where you? Now you I want to talk to so. I hear today, you dey church, you dey pray, you dey cast, you dey bind every enemy that want to destroy my home. I destroy them, Holy Ghost fire. You were not sabi cook. You cook okra soup. Okra dey one side, water dey one side, oil dey the center, e dey separate fight. I hear you today, you dey shout, any enemy that want to come in between me and my man, that is trying to cause disaffection in my marriage, I destroy them, I bind them. You, from Monday to Sunday, you dey church. In the morning, early morning, you know the quick you go drop children for school. You say, get program for church, you dey rush, dey go. From Monday to Sunday, you dey inside church. Your mates go their hustling ground, go dey find money because they need to support the house. For your case, or you wan buy Maggi, na your husband. You wan buy salt, na your husband. If the man, even though sometimes the man go just broke for change matter, ask you say, sweetheart, abeg quick tell me with 500 naira, like 200 naira, make you support. You say, where I wan see am. But every day, Monday to Sunday, you dey busy, dey go church programs, different churches. You can say they get church, so they go to church prayer, meeting, women prayer. If the man come complain, why they go to church? You go to say, you dey go dey pray for the house. You go dey pray for the man. Madam prayer warrior, if that your prayer, that your mark wey you take dey pray, that your prayer was so effective, why you no fit pray your way into Dangote house when you dey grow dey come? Why you no pray your way into Igbenedion house? Why you no pray your way into Tinubu house? If you suppose pray your way into that house, maybe you go for don be senator for Nigeria. Now you dey carry your wahala. You come add and join the poor man own wey you don fit get. Come add and join am. As you come in, you are not a plus to the man, you be minus. You no wan still use your sense. You dey go church, you dey church today dey shout, any person, anybody, any enemy that is making my husband to look down at me, that want to destroy because enmity in my household, I destroy them, Holy Ghost fire. Your husband call you for night, you go tell am say, na me lead praises today for church. I just tire. The program we will get, na me lead praises for the program. I just tire. You don't begin give the man booking date where you go to touch property. Or if at times the man call you, you tell am say, we get program for church. We get 14 days program. We get 21 days program. This period, that period for the program, na holy period for we for the church. So no church, you don't want anything, so that may not go spoil your spiritual enemy which you define. Make you leave the man, make he beat the girl wey dey unholy period for our side, so that make that one help you first for that period when you take the holy, before the holiness period finish. You go church, you begin cast, you begin bind, you begin shout, say any power, any demon, any spiritual that want to come and destroy your home, that want to come and Holy Ghost fire. Your house dirty, your children cloth they dirty. You go abandon those ones for house. You go dey wash church. For the church now you they just see as no, they praise you, Madam Cleaner. They don't know say na big fly na dey fly dey enter your house because of how e take the wolves come out. But you dey cast, you dey bind. Any enemy from my husband father side, any enemy from my husband mother side, like say you no get family, that want to come and cause, that is destroying my marriage, that is doing this in my marriage, I destroy. Your pastor na daddy, your husband na Papa Miracle or Erosairu. You dey cast anybody that is giving my husband a bad word, that is making him to look down on me. You cast, you bind. Stranger come your church from another state. Na man, because when they do program, they say na pastor, they invited the pastor for the program. Now you, church consent, make you go lodge out for hotel. You no even reason, you no think. If people see you now, they follow one man enter hotel, they still come out. What did they go reason? You don't even consider to take excuse from the man when you call your husband. I have room now, pastor, daddy G.O. now he send you. You go once. For your mind, you conclude, say, it doesn't matter, you are doing the work of God. You will expect everybody to accept and believe and just take it from you like that because now God work you dey do. Now from edge of dance, now they enter inside. You don't know that one. So what do you expect the man to think if he hears something like that? Or if not, he can even by himself see you. If they pray, any man, any enemy will come destroy your house. Any enemy will try to come enter between you and your husband. You are casting them, you are abandoning them. You dey try, you short. Every word when you know, you dey try to see how you want to take, if your own, if you even feel carry the man, go lock for inside your pastor house, so maybe say that your pastor dey pour oil on the man every day. You will do it. But not forget, say men get their life to live. You go the band and cast for church. Make anybody wey dey cause wahala for between you and your man and your marriage, make Holy Ghost fire consume them. Now you want to blend with your mate, you want to dey meeting with them. You know they go do market, you dey pay only dara. You want join meeting, you want so cloth, but you no want make the man sit down with his mate for beer parlor. You say na sinner because he dey drink beer. And those are things that make men happy. They want to belong. As you want belong for that meeting, now some men they try to catch fun. That's why they make men they last. But if the man don't they see things from a different perspective, if they try to correct you, you will say now somebody that is spiritual enemy don't enter. They don't be so this has been before. If I talk before my husband, he listen to me. Now he doesn't listen to me anymore. Any enemy that is coming, I want to change my home. Madam, now you they destroy your house. Now you be the enemy where you need to check. You they destroy your house. Nobody they come from master. Now you learn sense, get sense. I know they quarrel with you. I just want to advise you. My small piece of advice, because I hear you dey shout out today for church, and I know you, madam. You, well. I know you. Get sense. Yeah.